Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a book to your reading list on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the Explore button at the lower side of the screen and choose a novel genre, and for example the horror section, select a novel and tap to the Add to button next to the Read a New option at the lower right corner of the screen, and here you can select the reading list and tap to the plus icon, and you added the book to your reading list. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.